Welcome to GA's Tale again, and this time we have this P2D4-15 Rockford Fosgate P2, and I'm actually trying to decide to build a box for this one. It's been sitting here lying, so I think I got it. One of my friends brought it from somewhere, I don't know where from, and so I thought, no. Need the time to build the box for this 115. Right, the tricky thing is, right, by the stats of the sub, basically, if you look at the QEs and QMS, basically the field parameters, one of the parameters is 0.62, which basically tells me that this sub is meant for sealed applications mainly, rather than being ported. And to be honest, it's doing some crazy stuff when you're actually using the WinISD and putting down all the parameters and stuff like that. So basically the volume of the box is absolutely crazy, and I don't know why. I know it says now here three cubes, but watch when I open a new thingy, and let's see, normal, closed, blah blah blah, and create. So look at the box volume of the sealed thingy. It's fucking 52 cubic foot. Jesus Christ, WinISD, what the hell is going on here? But there again, I'm gonna take this away, this away, and this away, and but then this is the same 15. I've changed the stats to 1.8 cubes because that's what is recommended, and as you can see, it's actually not as far away from that, so I can't understand why whatever the hell they were doing. But so it like plays down to 23 hertz in a sealed enclosure, and it just gradually then it lines out about what we've got, 39-40 hertz. It starts to go flat, but I don't know what the hell is going on there, but it doesn't matter. So what I'm going to be building, I'm going to be building a box, sealed, because that's what I've done. So it's going to be 50 high, 50 wide, and 35 depth. So I'm gonna try and get, basically I'm getting 56.57 liters, which is roughly about, honestly 2 seconds, I'm gonna tell you, 56, so it's 57, roughly 0.57 liters, and that is 1.9 cubes. I don't know, because somewhere I've seen that we can actually go for three cubes sealed and blah blah blah, but I'm not sure what to do. I don't want to put 3 cubes, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build this like this, and so basically 50, so 50 square and 35 depth. So it will be an odd one, but I'm gonna come up with something cool so I can make it sit. I don't know, whatever, but basically let's build a box for this. So this should be straightforward, 50 centimeters, 50 by 50, and then 35 drops. This will be my main box. Then obviously I'm gonna put some stuff on top of it and blah blah blah, but let me get my inch thick MDF. This is what I'm using to build this sealed box. It's going to be an inch thick MDF, and yeah, let's get down to cutting and we'll see what it's going to turn out.
I got my ticket for the long way round, and that was high before I left my bed. I take another sip to let the demons out. Yeah, I keep the bottle just to make some new friends. Yeah, me and my demons, we're best bros. Everybody knows we always stay close. Me and my demons, we're best bros. Everybody knows we always stay close. Sad soul with this life I'll lead. So tired of my past mistakes. Say you're happy, well I can't relate. Well, I guess it's just my role in society. Yeah, me and my demons, we're best bros. Everybody knows we always stay close. Me and my demons, we're best bros. Everybody knows we always stay close.
That's how the flat pack Magic 15 box looks like. It's gonna be a bit heavy like, but now let's basically put this whole stuff together and cut the hole out for that. Yeah, definitely it's a few things. Let's check actually. I want to check my terminals. That's what I like to use all the time. Bolt terminals. Simple but good. Way perfect. So yeah, now we'll be putting this all back together, slamming this 15 on it. Be cool. Cool. Yeah, let's get down to business. Well, that's the shells made, all nicely siliconed and everything. I didn't want to have any air or not even a try to escape from here. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to put loads of screws around to settle properly in, and then obviously I'm going to drop this thing in. I'm definitely doing another baffle, or top baffle, so it's flush, and then we'll basically go from there. I'll come up with something what I'm going to be doing, but I'm going to do the screw part. I'm not going to be filming this because it's very annoying and long time taking, whatever the fuck it is, and I'll be back basically once it's all. Well, that's the screws are all done. I've got loads of screws all the way around, and I've put a second baffle, flush trimmed, basically flush mount for the sub. Done the logo, obviously my box, my logo, and yeah, well, it's all dry now at the moment. Basically just waiting for this to cure. Then we'll take all that off, and basically I'm gonna come up with something for the terminal. I'm not sure what I want to do about the terminal, but I might will do something different to what I'm normally doing. I'm not sure. I might recess it and put another bit of wood or something like that to make it like a factory look. Well, no, factory, there's nothing about factory about this, but I don't know. But I'll come up with something. I'll basically let this wait, let this dry out. And another thing, I didn't round that bottom edge, as I'm thinking about making some legs for this. I don't know, maybe a crazy idea, but I'm thinking about something different. I want to do something different with this box, not just fucking 115 and that's it, little shitty logo and blah blah blah. So not sure what is gonna happen with that, but for now I need to wait for this to dry. I haven't got a carpet, I believe, so I think I've got grey carpet, but I don't think it's gonna go well with the Rockford there. I don't know, basically we'll see what it's gonna be like, so I'll just wait for this crop to dry and we'll go from there. So be back in a second. Now I'm gonna do the thing for the terminals. I already know exactly what I'm doing, so let me finish what I'm doing and then I will show you what's going on. Well, that's the terminals are sorted, nice and lovely. Put some flash on, here we go. That's what it looks from the inside. As you saw from the outside, easy, nice and flush. So if you would want to lay it down on the floor, like facing sub up, you will be able to now, because there's no terminals sticking out of the box or anything like it. Everything's nice and neat. Basically, like you see, I already ran the wires, and what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to put a sub in and actually test it. So I'll not be long.
It's playing our song. Are you sleepy? Take a nap. You're not afraid of the dark, are you? You hear the beat as the beat
Oh,
not wanna go to sleep.
fucking amplifier, they're gonna handle it.
It's locked, so I go to creep round the back with binoculars, not cause I wanna be, but because I'm hungry. She smells like tacos I wanna eat. Visit the hot chocolatey marshmallows, also sweet with sugar plums. Oh look, here comes Marshall, he's on your street. He's placing hot, smoldering charcoals beneath your feet. Now walk on him. He's dancing with carcasses cheek to cheek, like a Thanksgiving turkey, a holiday ham.
That's already low, really.
Strawberry marmalade jam flavor my.
But I believe if I put this in a car, it's gonna sound good. So that's what I'm gonna do. Basically, yes, it did sound good. I have a Fosgate T1-12 in the ported, the X5 in my box, big box, and honestly, this thing actually outperformed the T1 in at some notes. I'll tell you that definitely. It was much punchier and thingy like that, but it wasn't as low you get from the ported box, like if you know. But yeah, now I've got a crazy idea going on with this box now, because why not? We'll be doing some legs definitely for this box, and basically I'm gonna raise it off the floor, have legs on the side, and we'll have to wait for this one to actually, I will get it done. I want to get it done and then basically just watch the show, watch the legs become alive. Hopefully it works out, hopefully everything is as it is, as what I'm imagining on my drawings and stuff. So yeah, we'll see that one and enjoy the show, because I'm gonna get down to drawing, cutting and trying to measure the legs in and stuff like that. So let's get down to business. So as you could see, I've cut the legs, well, one of the legs out, and basically this is what it will look like. Booyah! Ain't that fucking cool? Obviously I'm gonna double up the thickness of this, glue them together, round them, blah blah blah, make them look much better than what they are. But basically you can see where I'm going with this, and they're actually quite strong. Well, it is quite strong for what for what it is really. But I would definitely wouldn't put all of the weight on one leg. I'm gonna cut another one of these, then I need to cut on basically 3 more of these, and then I will be able to glue them together and start working on them, sanding and manding and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, I've got a lot of work to do, but hey.